Hi, my name is Michael.
I'm Olivia.
I have a petition going on. Would you be able to sign it?
What is your petition about?
I'm basically saying that foreigners should not be arrested arbitrarily.
Say that again?
I'm saying that foreigners should not be arrested arbitrarily.
For who to not be arrested and regular
Foreigners,
foreigners not to be arrested arbitrarily. Okay.
yes, and against their Fourth Amendment right. I'm also saying that they should not be basically like have their property stolen.
Okay.
And so those are the key elements of the
Are you on
petition.
now?
I beg your pardon?
Are you in your first year of law school?
For me, it's my second time visiting Howard University Law School.
Okay.
And I am here for the petition basically, and to engage in honest discussion with the students about practices of race and whatnot.
Okay.
Why do you think we're not having an honest discussion about race anymore?
Why are we not having an honest discussion about race anymore?
Yes.
Because I don't think it's important to the rest of America at this time. I think it's something that we are pushing back so we don't have to deal with it.
Okay.
I think.
But do you not think we should talk more about it?
I think we should. I think it's something that should definitely be discussed, but I don't know why it's not discussed more.
Are you going to law school?
Mm-hmm. I'm in my last year.
Okay.
So I want to be a criminal defense attorney. So I understand what you're saying about arresting foreigners arbitrarily and taking their things, and it is really important to discuss that.
And not to do that.
Huh?
And possibly not to do that though.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe publish that on newspapers saying that should not happen.
You should definitely. There's a professor here, Professor McDougall. He's a really good person to talk to about it, because that's what he does a lot of research on violating the rights of foreigners when they are here and they are arrested. I don't know what his office is, but he'd be a really good person to talk to if you're really looking to get in here and get more students to sign your petition and really circulate it.
Would you be able to sign it?
Yeah, I will sign.
I'd appreciate
your petition. Is there a requirement that I need to be a DC or a Maryland voter, or do I need to be a resident, or just a U.S. citizen?
It doesn't matter who you are really. Anybody can sign a petition. In any case, you are going to be number 90 though.
Okay, just sign it on the back?
Yes.
Number 19, you said?
Yes. 90. 90.
90.
So how are you defining terrorism nowadays?
That's a very good question. I think terrorism is any act that seeks to place fear in an individual. So I see terrorism as the hate groups that are here in the United States and across the world. So
KKK?
KKK, there's I don't know many others, but I do, any group that seeks to place fear into the individual, terrorizing them, that's what I think terrorism is.
And with regards to going to law school, before being admitted, what was your major in college?
I was a political science and an English major.
Okay.
So I did both of those.
And where did you go to college?
I went to the University of Central Florida. I'm not from DC, I'm Maryland, so I've been around.
How is your stay in Howard University?
I enjoy it. It's really opened up my eyes to what's going on. It's the discussions that I have, especially this year, particularly on race and making myself aware of the challenges that I'm going to face when I go out and become an attorney. I think those are important discussions to have and to really prepare you for what's going on in the world today. Because it's not easy anymore to be a black professional.
You're right. What do you think of the MPRE?
The NPRE?
Yeah.
I haven't taken it yet.
No?
I gotta.
And neither have I, and so like, I'm way behind on that.
I haven't. I think I'm scared, but I need to get over it and just take it. So I'll probably take it in November.
Okay. And you said you're a third year student.
Mm-hmm.
When will you be graduating?
Next year May. So.
And how's it going for law students nowadays?
Say that again?
How's it going for law students nowadays in terms of like jobs after having gone law school?
I think the jobs are out there. You just have to really be qualified. Just because you graduate from here and you have your law degree, it does not make you qualified for a lot of the jobs you want. So what I did is I did a lot of on-hands training. I'm in the clinic. So I'll get my own clients and I'll get to go to court and I'll practice in front of the judge before I get out into the job. So I think that's what they're looking for. They're looking for people who have on-hands experience. Journal is really big. They want people who are empowered journal and internships. But I guess internships are given. So how are you going above and beyond is what I think they really want.
And would you say they are taking like only the creme de la creme?
You know, that's what, if you want to go to a large law firm, I think that is what they are looking for, the creme de la creme. But if you just want to do a regular public interest job where you're in a community working with individuals one-on-one, they're not interested in creme de la creme. They want people who really care about the communities and rehabilitating and fixing them. That's what I want to do. So I'm more interested in working one-on-one with people.
And what do you think of marijuana?
I don't have an opinion. I don't engage in it. So it's not something I've really explored ever since all this stuff has been going on in DC. So sorry. I wish I had more knowledge on it.
Would you be saying that there is like a targeting of people who are smoking marijuana?
I would think there is a target because it hasn't, just because it's been decriminalized, I don't think that's enough. So
I mean, like, what's the difference between taking like a doctor prescribed pill and medical marijuana? Like for me, like they are both stress relievers, and sometimes like the marijuana has sometimes like better effects than the pill. In the sense like the pill is like maybe like really destroying your mind, whereas like the medical marijuana is like something you do once and then you're good for like a long period of time. So like
yeah, I think you're right. Maybe sometimes it does have it works better for some than the regular prescription drugs. I think it's interesting that it's only in California where you can get the prescriptions. Am I right, or are there other places?
I think you may also get it in DC.
Okay.
And I was like, I went there to inquire about with Maryland medical, DC medical marijuana consultants, and you can also get it there, I believe.
Okay. That's interesting. It's something I need to look into more. It is it's one of the hot topics, I guess.
Is it?
Yeah, I think it is. That and all the stuff that's going on in Baltimore City now and stanza plans and all that like stuff.
Well, I think in Baltimore it's more like the lack of discussion, which is like very much important to me.
You're right. It is a lot of lack of discussion, especially the first thing you were talking about. It is. Nobody wants to talk about it because it makes them feel uncomfortable. And it's taking people out of their comfort zone and making them feel like this is what's going on, these are the facts, and we need to address them. And I think at that point, that's when you get the discussions happening. It's interesting.
It was a pleasure talking to you. I need to get like more people signing this.
Of course. And good luck in what it's very good that you're doing. Because it is important.
For me, it's like almost like a lifetime. And in terms of information, like I'm having to dig it out now. And so like, why not dig it out from Howard University Law School?
It's a good place to come. Even if you just get to sit in on a class, you should do it.
I will.
And I hope you decide to come here. It's a good place to be.
Well, I definitely like have an interest. Definitely.
You know, it's something I think we're lacking are foreign attorneys because that's what clients who are foreign need that connection, and they don't have that. I think that's what's most important. You understand more what their struggles are than anybody else. And so I hope you think about. I really hope you do think about going to law school or coming here.
Well, I definitely like have a passion for learning, and so like there's no doubt about it. And I also have like a passion for asking questions and like seeing what other people are thinking because I would hope that I'm not the only one who's thinking like I am.
Right.
Like,
because the moment you stop learning is the moment you stop growing.
exactly.
So
Exactly.
I think it's important to ask questions all the time. Yeah.
I'm like inquisitive very much, but I have to get going. I'll talk to you soon,
It was
hopefully.
good speaking with you.
You too.